Alright guys, welcome back. Chris with Elon and Life. It's been about 2 weeks since we've done the first application of Doc Super Juice. I wanted to give you a quick update. I did do another application yesterday. So all we've done so far on this year is we put an 007 Pre Emergent, put a very light application of 10-10-10, and we've just completed our second application of Doc Super Juice. So I'll give you a quick update. All right, here we go. I'll post some pictures, maybe a clip from when we actually did the video. So you can see the difference. So we're getting pretty decent green up. I've ordered PGF complete, and I'm still waiting on that to come in. Here's some remnants from today's work in the backyard. We just posted a quick little video of trimming trees and raking leaves. But anyway, pretty decent green up, considering all I've done is a very light application of fertilizer. Doc Super Juice is very light. I have a feeling once I hit it with PGF complete, it should really green up. That's the side yard. All right, here's the front yard. It always tends to wake up a lot slower than the side yard. It gets a little more shade. But we're starting to have decent green up. Honestly, it's hard to tell if it's from the Doc Super Juice or just it waking up. I did want to wake the grass up a little bit slower this year, instead of just hitting it with a heavy nitrogen. Anyway, just wanted to give a quick update. I'll check back in about another week, let you know how the Doc Super Juice is doing. And everybody have a great weekend. Have a great week coming up. Chris with Elon and Life. You got anything to say? No? Everybody have a great day.
Ooh, that's a good one. I did that. Wow. Good job.
Whoa! Go higher. Whoa.
I feel like this whole thing is shaking.